Today on Glory and Beauty, I'm going to show you how to make the modified version of the lemon peel stitch pattern. To get started, we'll make a slip knot and place it on our hook. You'll use an even number of chains so you can work over an odd number of stitches. For mine, I'm going to chain 16 so I can work over 15 stitches. In the second chain from the hook, we're going to place 1 half double crochet. To half double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the chain. You'll yarn over and pull up the loop. Then you'll yarn over and we'll pull through all 3 loops on our hook. And there is 1 half double crochet. You'll place 1 half double crochet in each chain across the row. Then we'll chain 1 and turn our swatch. We're going to lemon peel stitch across this row. So in the first stitch, we'll place 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to place 1 double crochet. You'll lemon peel down the row, placing 1 single crochet in one stitch and 1 double crochet in the next. On the lemon peel rows, your last stitch will always be 1 single crochet. Ah, isn't she lovely? You'll repeat rows 1 and 2, and you'll always chain 1 to turn. You'll also always work in the first stitch of each row. Placing a half double crochet row between each lemon peel stitch row, this is what modifies the lemon peel stitch pattern. What I love most about modifying this stitch pattern is how the clusters seem to pop up against those half double crochet rows. It's mindless, it grows quickly, and it has an elegant look to it, making it a perfect all-around stitch pattern for a wide variety of crochet projects. Here they are, side by side, both beautiful in their own way. I hope you'll love it as much as I do. Until next time, let's keep on making things for glory and for beauty.